The final part of our 4-step warrior method is to lead. We cultivate excellent leadership skills within our community. These skills do far more than teach our children to lead others. It encourages independence in our young students, teaching them about responsibility, how to be reliable, why attention to detail is so important, and to have pride in their work. Teaching students to lead solidifies their learning and teaches them important social, public speaking, and presentation skills, all of which have a practical application in their adult life. Give our students a huge head start